Hi, Jason Gaston here, the Freedom Flipper, with another episode of Rehabbing Quick Tips. So, a quick tip I want to give you today is if you're dealing with a house, first of all, this house we're renovating right here is not it's in a lower end market. The value is about 130 when it's fixed. So it's a lower end market. So instead to save money, instead of putting new cabinets in, because the cabinets are here, we're in decent shape, but they're kind of an ugly color. So what we did here, as you can see, is we painted them. Now the doors are all off, so we painted them. So we can put new hardware and new handles and things on the doors. So even though we could have ripped these out and put new cabinets in, but to save money, we just painted them white, which is a very nice color and something that's very popular right now. So we painted these cabinets, and we're also going to throw a backsplash up. So just with a coat of paint and cleaning, these look like brand new cabinets, and instead of a dated, out of style color that it was, we painted it white, which is going to look good in the end. So again, Jason Gaston here, the Freedom Flipper, with another episode of Rehabbing Quick Tips. And before we get off the video, click on the link below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click on the link in the description and visit our website, freedomflippingacademy.com. Put your information in there, and we'll send you our, we have a case study, $0 to $25,000 in 14 days flipping houses. And we also have an ebook there about how to find below market deals, ways to find below market deals that no one's ever heard of. So go there, put your information in, and we'll send us that information. We'll also make sure we email you all these videos and quick tips that we have. But quick tip for your kitchen: instead of removing and get rid of the cabinets, paint them, freshen them up, make them look new, and then you can save a lot of money in your kitchen. Again, this is Jason Gaston with Rehabbing Quick Tips. See you in the next video.